Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the phone, unlock it, make sure camera has permission, and confirm your Realme system is up to date so barcode scanning works. Next, open the camera app and switch to photo mode. You need the live view to detect the QR code. Once done, point the lens steadily at the Wi-Fi QR code at about 20-40 cm distance. Make sure lighting is even and the code fills most of the frame so the scanner registers quickly. When the camera recognizes the QR, you will see a notification or a pop-up containing the Wi-Fi data. Tap it to view details. If the camera doesn't show the prompt, switch to Google Lens from the camera or open the built-in QR scanner from Control Center and retry. Once you see the SSID and security type, choose Connect or copy the password to the clipboard. Make sure the SSID matches the network you intend to join to avoid connecting to the wrong hotspot. After tapping Connect, you may need to accept a dialog for network permissions. Allow it and wait for the Wi-Fi icon to show Connected. If the connection fails because the password is incorrect, edit the saved Wi-Fi entry in settings and paste the password you copied, or simply rescan the QR code to retry. If problems persist, reboot your Realme or reset network settings as a last resort. This clears cached errors but preserves your data. Then
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.